in today's video, we're going to be talking about satisfying beauty products. Now, they can be satisfying for various reasons, I would say. For the most part, for me, it's how fun it is to use them, but also how fast I can see the results from using them, right? None of them are gimmicky. I'm just gonna throw it out there. All of them are amazing. That's why they're so satisfying. They're fun to use. They're working great. So let's jump into it. I want to start with something that I have been using it for a while and I still have not found anything that is close to this product in any type of way. So this is the Beauty Elixir from Kobaliya. This is their smoothing, glowing, basically like a spray serum. It instantly gives your skin hydration, but also it refreshes it because of the mint extract. It has menthol in it. Like I said, I have not found anything even closer to the effect that it gives. Give it a good shake, and then I just apply it throughout the day. Love applying it as I prep my skin before I do my makeup. I love just reapplying it to freshen up, sort of to wake me up again because of these kind of refreshing, cooling properties. It smells great. I love the way it makes my skin look. I love the way it makes me feel. That's what makes it so satisfying. And it's important to mention the mist. I hope you can see it's extremely fine. It distributes so beautifully. It makes my skin look more youthful, tightens the pores. I just love this. This is a must-have product for any makeup bag, I would say. It's amazing. They also have the travel size version. Next, I'm gonna talk about the Neutrogena Lip Sleeping Mask. I believe this is one of the newer products, and it's basically just a hydrating lip mask. I do use my lip masks not just overnight, not just as a mask. I love applying them sort of as a lip balm. I love to keep it sitting there and working. It's magic. I love absolutely everything about it. It's super smooth. It's very, very rich and nourishing. Just use my finger and apply it this way. I love the way it makes my lips feel. You get that instant satisfaction from using the product. It also lasts so long on your lips. That's why I love it so much. This one is amazing. This product just had to be in this video because this is extremely satisfying for me. I've been looking for an eyebrow gel that would actually hold my eyebrows in place, and believe it or not, it was not that easy to find one. Here it is. This is Maybelline Super Lock Brow Glue. That's pretty much how it's called. This product actually holds my eyebrow hairs in place. If you're just like me and you've been struggling with that, you know that the struggle is real. There's so many products that the consistency is just off. It does not have the grip that you need, so it does not dry fast enough. By the time it dries, all the hairs will be falling down and so on and so forth. This one is amazing. You don't need a lot of it. You get the desired effect just from a minimum amount. It's an absolutely beautiful product. This one is so beautiful. I just cannot stress that enough, how amazing and beautiful it looks on the skin, how satisfying it is to apply. The first time I used it, it was in one of my recent short form videos. I uploaded it as a short here on YouTube as well. This is the Dewy Flush from Glow Recipe. It is just so beautiful. I'm gonna apply it here on camera. You need just a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how beautifully it transforms my complexion. Now it blends out effortlessly, yet it does not, blend out into nothing. Just, oh my goodness, flushed, youthful glow. It is so beautiful. I love this product so much is because It does give you that effect that you have a beautiful blush, this rosy cheeks, a little bit of a sun-kissed look, but it also adds this beautiful glow that Glow Recipe is actually famous for. It's a tinted serum, so there's skincare involved as well. Berry flush, and they also have a watermelon flush. I hope they come out with more colors, but I believe these two might work regardless of your skin tone. Just definitely give this two a try. It's amazing. Now, I just cannot make this video and not talk about this product. This is Lancome's Hypnose Drama Mascara. The formula is absolutely beautiful. The shape of the wand is exactly what you need if you need voluminous curl up eyelashes. I don't have any mascara on my eyelashes right now, just so I can show you how it works. It gives you the desired effect very fast, okay? Now look at the difference that it gives with and without, and it was super fast. Another thing that is worth mentioning here, this mascara is actually mess-free and drama-free to have it removed. That's another reason why I love it so much. I'm a busy lady. I need to have things done quickly. I love to have my products work fast and give me results fast, and that's why I love it so much. Now let me know what you think about this video. If you would like me to film more of these, I'm happy to share the products that I love and I think you're gonna love too.